I'm Eric, and today we're going to be trying do-it-yourself poke. With the popularity of poke spreading beyond its Hawaii roots, eateries around the world have been trying to put their own twist on poke. With do-it-yourself poke, you have the opportunity to make your own special, unique poke with different toppings, flavors, sauces, what have you. But that begs the question, can it really be considered poke? Well, let's find out. So that was my experience with do-it-yourself poke. You may be wondering why I didn't use the traditional ingredients like ahi. Well, because they have so many different options available, I wanted to see what kind of unique dish I could create with what they had available. And I used shrimp and scallops, and instead of rice I got a salad. And you saw some of the other ingredients I got. So was it poke? No. But did it taste good? I thought so. So I would probably be back to do-it-yourself poke again. Thanks for watching.